Several of you asked to see what a restoration studio looks like. So here it is. It's a snowy day today, last day of January. It's not in order. This is the photo shoot. That's where we take pictures of finished items when we send to the customer. This is a bunch of parts that we plan to break to create Kintsugi. Here, all of those are destined to be broken. There are more in here. This is the mechanical bench, as I call it. That's where we cement, fill, sand. This is the oven that get heated to 140 degrees. Bunch of miscellaneous microwave, supply cabinet. And painting stations. This is Patty's station. She paints very fine details. This is the airbrush and fine details. That's where I spend most of my time when I paint. Just to show you the how much color mixing we do here. Oh, that's going to be a good indication. This is the garbage. Those are all mixed colors. That's a week worth of paint mixing. Last week, this week was painting week. So what else? This is the Kinsugi Station, and those are projects in the queue. We have almost 100 projects in the queue, 91 to be exact. They're everywhere, here and there, in process, on the floor. This is the small kiln that we use to fire sculpted pieces of missing pieces, missing segments, hands, heads, whatever that we do. What else you need to do? This is I keep the molds for a period of time, then I throw them out once every 6 months. Those are all the impressions that we made of things. And of course, you always need that particular hand a day after you throw it out. That happened quite a bit. What else you need to see here? This is the grinding room. I call it the dirty room. There are a lot of fans in here. We do brazing here as well. Small bronze or metal statues. This is a brazing equipment. We have another room, specialty room. This is the glazing room. I call it clean room. It needs to be cleaned or closed because the glaze takes a little while to cure and we don't want any dust particles to settle on the glaze. What else? I'll go around slowly. Again, this is the Konsuki Station. Some in process. Again, you can see we're busy with Kintsugi before Valentine's Day, before Christmas. Some more projects on top. And we have another room here. Those are the finished items. Those need to be packed today and tomorrow and shipped. That's what we finished in the last few days. Here's a packing room. That's where we unpack and pack. Nothing much to see here. The supply closet. Sandpaper, stuff. Compressor is in the closet to make less noise. More Kintsugi to be broken. Those are parts that we buy, parts that we make, and that's what's on the web, Kintsugi items, finished, ready to be sold. We have very little inventory now, more to be broken. And the best part of the studio, that's why we build it here, is a view of the marsh. We love it here.